Category again for some reason. I don't know why.
Look at the fish, Muzna. It's cool, right?
Can I put my feet in?
This hairstyle, no? It looks really nice. Check out this hairstyle.
Why aren't the birds understanding you today? Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
We are back after a really long time. I think more than a year.
Yeah.
And with a different look. You can see we both look different now. So,
yeah, but don't worry, it's all going to be the same fun and excitement and all the food and all the family time that we're going to spend. So today we're actually going on a trip, so we thought it's a good note to start this video on.
Yeah.
It's an interesting note rather. Our son Lukman is under the impression that we are not joining him on this trip. He's going on this trip with his grandparents and his aunt, but we are not going to join him. And this is the first time he's going to be away from us for like about 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
And
he left last night and he's already gone there and he thinks they're going separately without us. But we are surprising him. We're actually going.
we are actually joining him. It's just after 6 and we are going to go to my in-laws place and we're going to join him and surprise him. Let's see how he reacts.
So we have come to my parents' place and we are entering now. Just gonna meet Lukman and tell him bye because he thinks we're not coming. So
I miss you.
What is this?
Can't say I miss you.
what?
Oh my god, look at it. He's made.
Oh, so sweet. We miss you too, baby. We're gonna really miss you. You'll have a good time with Dadadi?
Yeah.
You have a good time, okay? We're
That's
gonna,
so sweet.
we're gonna miss you so
Lukman.
much.
He made this.
Yeah. Open it. Bye, Lukman.
Bye.
Have fun. You'll be okay, right? Yeah? Have fun, okay?
You just parked the car in the middle of the road.
Yeah, I just came to say bye to you, okay? Bye. So, Lukman is sitting very sadly in the car.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
quite upset. He's not showing it. He's being a very brave boy, but
Yeah.
he is quite upset.
Is it worth it? I mean, are we doing it? Are we gonna still let him go in that car till Mortal Highway, which is
Which
like
is about like half an hour. Tasif, how do you think he's going to react? I'm like super excited and anxious about this.
I don't know. It depends. Like, if he's not guessed it so far, and if no one has actually told him by mistake
In the car?
in the car.
Yeah, it's possible. Parked the car and we are waiting outside
Yeah.
so they can go settle in and then we'll walk in. They're going inside.
Oh no. Let's wait and see if Lukman will see us now and whether he'll be surprised. Do you think he's going to be surprised? I can't wait to catch his expression. Oh, what's happening here? Look at the dosa. Anyway, I think I heard him. Hello.
You know we are coming on a trip.
It's a surprise. We are coming on the trip with you. How was that surprise? What happened?
After I knew that you were coming on a trip, Dada don't follow us.
Dada said follow us. But what did you think you're not coming?
Uh-oh.
The food is here now and we're eating. So Muzna is having a podi dosa with vada and 4 different types of chutneys.
Yeah.
4
Peanut chutney.
peanut chutney, the mint chutney, then there is tenga chutney. And what is this?
This is garlic chutney.
Garlic chutney. And look at this. The pongal is like awesome. Beautiful. We're enjoying. Guys!
Hey guys!
So now finally it's the Chennai couple
Plus one.
+1. Lukman, how was your experience? How did you feel? Were you surprised when Abu Mama came?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
How did you know? Like, why? What did you think? We were going to come or what?
Yeah.
Why?
Dada was like, Dada, follow me! Shouting.
Tosi, follow me, he said. Okay.
Dada was like, Tosi, follow me.
Now how do you feel?
Now, how do you feel? Are you happy?
I cried. So
Yeah,
happy and sad.
You were a little like he had
Taken aback. I think
taken
he was.
aback.
Yeah.
He had too many emotions,
Yeah.
but then but eventually he's happy, right? Now he knows that Abu Mama are all gonna go and gonna have a good time, right?
Yay! So Yeligiri, here we come.
Again for some reason. I don't know why.
Because we love Yeligiri. We think it's a very easy, accessible hill station. I mean, a small hill station. It's not very big, and that's why we like to go. You know what? The interesting part about Yeligiri is every time there are new things coming up. Every time we've gone there, we've been there like 3 times, and every time we go, they have something new coming up over there every single time. So I'm also excited to know what are the new places that have come up. And this time we are traveling with the entire family, so that's the best part. So follow us and let's go and see what happens.
I'll show you guys the view from where we are right now. We are at the foothills. We can see the road going up. Let me show you. As you can see, it's a straight road and it leads to the mountain like that. Yeah, you can see that. It goes up. So we are waiting for that. Guys, so we have our family members.
Members.
My son Lukman Isam in the front.
Then there's Tasneem,
My
Tausik's
sister Tasneem. And my cousin sister Fari.
So now we are at the foothills and we are going up this mountain, and yeah, we'll go and see how the place is. We booked a villa this time, so we'll check out that villa.
We're going to a place that one place, not a hotel, one whole place for us.
Oh, that's going to be interesting.
So there are only us
And us.
and us.
No children swimming without adults. Hey, look at the swimming pool, Lukman! Yay! Look at the swimming pool.
Where do we stop? Where do we
This
go?
is so cool. Hey, actually, it's slightly cooler here.
Guys, check out this place. So this eco village in Yeligiri has like independent villas. Okay, you can rent a villa. Each of these villas have probably 3 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms, and they have some have kitchens, some don't. And I'm gonna go. Look, Muzna, there are some chicks over there. Go show the chicks to the audience.
I'll go show. I'm more found in animals.
Yeah. Come, you both of you run and go. We have some turkeys here.
But you can't cook them.
Lukman's running behind a hen. Oh, they're feeding chicks.
Lukman, you want to feed the chicks?
Lukman, so cute. Show me that. Show me that. Wow, that's so cute. This is how you enter, and then you can see that there are like nice forests and there's trees in the back, and there's a beautiful pool, family-friendly pool where everybody's getting in wearing whatever they're wearing because it's it's meant for families. And Muzna has not yet got into the pool. From Germany, who's just joined us.
Yes.
So she's come. Yeah, she's just come from Germany. Yeah.
We're not from Germany.
This is the apartment that we have. See, they have a barbecue place over here. If you want to do barbecue. We are in Hotel Nigres, which is one of the best hotels here. And Lukman's right. Like, how's the place? Do you like it? And there's
I just came here.
yeah, it's like beautiful. Like Tasneem is there, Pari is there. After chilling for the whole day, we just came to have dinner. All of us are here. And
Not chilling for the whole day.
and what we have seen is this place is beautifully done. Let me show you the place. 1 second.
Okay.
And it's actually raining pretty heavily, and we are like indoors, but we have a shade on top, so it's raining. I don't know if you can hear the rain, and also there's like thunderstorm, right? Guys, now we are heading to the best part of Yelagiri, which is the Fundera Park, where you get lots
You will
of
also
birds.
see in another video where we have already gone to Pandera Park, but you know, one nice thing about Yelagiri is that every time we come here, there are new developments that are happening. So I'm guessing the park will be a little different from what we saw last time.
Yeah, so we're gonna go check it out. We love that park, so next stop, let's go there. This is different from how it was before. They have done some new stuff, really. All plants. I don't know what is there. Is there only plants or is there something more? Let's see. Oh, they have. What's the shark? It's a shark. What's a shark, man? Wow, look at the fish, Muzna. It's cool, right?
Can I put my feet in?
Feet, you can put your head and you get a head massage. Color, which color do you choose? Whoa, that's a huge. That's a huge frog.
Ribbit.
This hairstyle, no? It looks very nice. Check out this hairstyle.
Huh?
Next time, keep this hairstyle.
You mean you?
Sicilian buttercup.
I think they're bored of this food. No? He's just pulling it out back. Are you serious?
We have the Fundera has drastically improved. I mean, earlier it used to have only birds. Now they have prairie dogs, they have ferrets, they have iguanas, they have rabbits, they have everything. So many options, so many things to see. See, they have all vegetables. They're eating all vegetables. Cucumber and all they're eating. See how they're holding and eating, Lukman.
You should also hold like this and eat.
Just like a koi poo rat.
Asif, why have you come here and you're like finding the same kind of bird that we have at home?
Because I have a connection to it. If I get a different bird, will you accept it and bring it home?
No. Which bird are you trying to get? That one? Sorry, not happening. Why aren't the birds understanding you today?
Too much of noise pollution
From the birds.
from the human being.
Oh, finally. Asif, come on. Third. What? Whoa, that was pretty close. Yay! Again, you're at it, aren't you?
Come on. Where is someone come here?
Luck with birds seems to be a little low.
Yeah, too many people. We are now in the cafe. So they have a nice little cafe called Bakehouse by Fundera, and they have like sandwiches, burgers, fries. So
Nice sunglasses, Asif.
thank you. It's Lukman's. I'm wearing it because I don't have sunglasses on my own.
You left your sunglasses at home.
Yeah.
And we are on the train. Woohoo! Look, man!
This forest is about 3 years old. In the last 3 years, we have seen more than 25 varieties of birds nesting and breeding here.
Yeah.
Also, we are seeing
Plastic.
So Lukman got that from the gift shop.
Yeah. So Fundera was nice. We enjoyed it. It's become more commercial, which is, I don't know if it's a good thing, because earlier it was a smaller crowd. There was more, all the birds used to come to you, more personal touch. They used to give like more number of seeds to feed the birds. Everything was more personalized. Now it's become more commercial, which I guess eventually will
Works
happen.
well for them.
Yeah, it works for them because obviously bigger crowds and they've done more. They brought in so many different exotic animals. They have train rides and they have a lot of other things, right?
It's very well organized still. I feel it's quite well organized. It's just that that personal touch, like he's saying, because both these guys came for the birds and
We
they
love
didn't
the
get
birds,
a chance.
and last time we spent so much of time interacting with them. Now the birds are not interacting because there's just too many people, right? So
I almost cried.
and the good thing that they have done is they have kept really high places so that the birds can actually escape from the crowd and go sit on top, right? And even the animals earlier, like last time we came, I remember the animals were right in front and people were interacting and even lifting and touching the animals. Now all the animals have some like deeper enclosures so that the animals will go and sit in the corner to escape from the people
So,
because the crowd is increasing. Yeah,
So
so
I was touching a chick and then one lady said, "Don't touch her, hold it."
yes, that's correct. That's good that they said it because they have to tell and they have to control people, otherwise people will misbehave with animals, right? So we have to tell them.
Yeah.
We are now in the room. We had a lovely time at Fundera Park. A lot of good things to see there. And then we went for lunch. Unfortunately, Hotel Hills, which we had gone to even last time, was not that great an experience this time because I think what's happened is people are not used to the growing popularity of Yeligiri, so they're not used to the tourist service, So service wasn't great actually, honestly. But then we went to Nigris, which is amazing food. Last night also we had. So we actually walked out of Hotel Hills, but we went to Nigris and we had good food. Now Lukman is getting ready. Everyone's getting ready. We're going into the pool. Are we guys ready to go into the pool?
Yeah, what do you think?
So the pool is here. Huh?
The other video you have shown that I didn't know how to swim.
Yeah.
But now I learned how to swim. So I don't need my swimming goggles anymore. So the cannonball.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Gonna go underwater now.
3, 2, 1.
And she's come
Take my bottle.
completely dressed. Come look one. Us in the water.
Some things have changed, but one thing that hasn't changed is
Muzna still scared of water.
I don't care about I don't know how to swim.
She still doesn't know how to
I
swim.
walk around.
She just walks around. She does a model walk. Do your model walk, come, Muzna.
Because I know how to swim.
We are in the pool having coffee. You can see all of us are chilling here. Muzna is having coffee. Tasneem is having coffee. Fari is, are you having coffee, Fari? She finished her coffee. And we're chilling. It's a lovely time. Look at Lukman. Where's Lukman? He's in that corner there. Look at him there. Good fun. So it's a lovely way to. And I never thought Yelagiri will have like a place with such a nice pool where you can chill for like hours. Weather is very nice, decent, good weather. Pleasant, yeah. Pleasant weather. It's cool. Nice. Good fun.
So after that lovely time in the pool, now we are stepping out to get some dinner for everyone.
And it's raining.
And it's raining. I mean,
I can show the rain outside, yeah.
outside. It's not a single car on the road.
It's like just 9:30. But this is the place we're going to. Merake Pizzeria.
Papa, Miraco Pizzeria.
So guys, it's raining and we're entering Miraco Pizzeria. And look at the number of vehicles.
By the way, this is the same aqua stay place that we showed in our other video, which has become Miraco Pizzeria now.
We ordered food and we are waiting for the food. And once the food comes, we are parceling it and taking it to the next place. And the pizza and the cokes. Guys, it's 9:30 in the night.
It's only 9:30 in the
It
night.
feels like it's like
Kasim, you please watch where you're driving.
Sorry. It feels like 2 a.m. and we are in a pitch dark. Oh, look at the lightning! Insane lightning and rain.
I will show you how the road is. This is the road we are going. Apparently, there's a very nice cafe slash it's a resort basically where there's a nice cafe we want to go to, and actually we have found it, but the way to that place was quite spooky, as are so many other ways to so many other resorts here because there are not too many lights. But the name of the resort is
Sarvakia.
that's not the resort.
This is the one
It was worth the drive for sure. Yes, go. Left.
What is these houses there?
Oh, look at these houses,
Going
dude.
up the hill. So all houses will be cross, huh?
This conversation we have to keep.
So guys, after that scary nighttime journey, we are now in a brightly lit and beautiful place. This is the cafe that we are going to.
Kausik, where are you? I can't see you. Ah, there you are.
This place is beautiful and they have an open air screen here. I don't know, I think you can sit on the lawn and they play movies. I don't know, I think that's the idea, right? They have a stage and everything. They do performances. So basically, I can see someone having a sizzler there. It is not very crowded tonight because it's end of the weekend. This place is vegetarian, all vegetarian. So if you stay here, if you eat here, it's all vegetarian. And possibly caters to a kind of crowd that is vegetarian. But beautiful, beautiful place. They've done it up so well.
This is Arvin Junction. It's one of the most happening places out here. It is surrounded by, it's right next to the park actually. It's right here, the park. And you have a lot of fruits and everything. And then you also have Arvin Pal over here. And there's also chocolate kadai over here. You can get some chocolates. There, Lukman, which chocolate do you want?
Abu, look. So,
We are done with the trip. And we are going down the hill, which has 14 hairpin bends.
Yelagiri with the 7 hills.
and
The
keep
14
watching.
hairpin bends.
And keep watching your channel.
Yes, keep watching. Like, share and subscribe. And we
Click
will
the
have...
bell button.
Click the bell button. And we are going to have some new videos with our new looks and our new avatars and new places and new visits with the same old Chennai couple.
+1.
Bye!